Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram download problem. So in this video, to fix your Telegram download problems, I will solve it for you easily. So we head on to our Telegram here on our iOS device. So this is also applicable in Android devices, so you can do this in both. So here we have our settings. So all you have to do is go to your data and storage, and I want you to locate your storage usage. From there, just press it and then clear your entire cache. So if this doesn't solve the problem, let's go to another one. So here you can do your auto download media, turn it on and off. So do the same for Wi-Fi, turn off and on, and there you go. So if this doesn't solve it, just close the application and open it again. So from there, if it still doesn't work, I don't know what will. But here's another solution. So settings, then go to your general, go to your about, go to your iPhone storage or go to your Android storage, and then locate your Telegram. From there, all you have to do is actually offload your application or clear data, and then just log in again with your Telegram and hope this solves the problem. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.